In today's video, you will see a few ways to style your scarf, your silk scarf, with a scarf buckle like this. Honestly, this is my favorite accessory, and you will see why in this video. By the way, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel, How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's tie our scarf. This is my beautiful scarf, La Vie du Grand Nord by Hermes. The base fold for all three styles is a triangle. For the first style, place your scarf on your shoulders, equalize the ends. Take this part of the end and pass it through your scarf buckle. Do the same with the second end. Spread out the bow. You have this beautiful butterfly. Easy, right? As a variation, sheath your bow on one side and make one wind bigger. By the way, I have a lot of videos on neck scarves, and I will link them at the end and in the description. For the next style, pass one end of your scarf through the buckle, like this. Place the scarf on your shoulders. Take this part of your scarf with hems and fold it as an accordion, like this. By the way, if you like scarves, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. Now, make a loop and pass your accordion through the loop. I must say that a smaller buckle will work too for this knot. Make your knot look pretty. This knot looks fantastic with scarves that have contrast hems. For the last style, just pull all the fabric through the loop. By the way, if you like vintage scarves, I will leave some links to a few lovely vintage scarves on Etsy. This style will elongate your torso and make you look slimmer. Isn't it great? If you want to know more on neck scarf styles, you can watch these videos too. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you next time. Bye!